Hi everyone, we are so excited to share with you our brand new release that goes live from January 26th, 2021. Now, we are sharing with you some trios, some single pots, and we are so super excited that we're going to do a YouTube hop and an Instagram hop. So we have got our design team showcasing you these gorgeous powders. I've made some samples just to show you a little bit of a preview on how it looks heat embossed already and how the trios come. So here are the trios. There's 3 trios. We have got the Fiesta. This is inspired by Tracy Scott. You've got the Strawberry Daiquiri, the Mojito, and the Mai Tai. This comes with a pink, teal, and golden custom blend. You've also got the Catherine Pooler range. That's right, she's brought out 3 powders, and we've also got a single pot of the in the navy. Now, who doesn't like a great navy? So this here is from the Ancient Jewels collection. This is the Decadent Ruby here, and it's got a lot of gold particles, but it has a beautiful undertone as the color suggests. So I'm going to start off with showcasing some of the cards I've made and going to point out the colors that I've used. So for here, I've got the Egyptian turquoise for the leaf, but in the background there, I've also used the Minty from the Pick Me Up trio. Now that trio is inspired by our very own Marion Embossing. So here's the Minty here. I'll open up the pot and I'll try and do that for most of the cards that I can try and showcase to you what that background is. And I've just matted that on the die cut background panel. Now I love this color, but I'm such a pink fan. So I was so super excited to showcase the Punch. This one's from the Pick Me Up trio. Marion has made Earl Grey, Minty, and Punch in her Inspired by Trio collection, and these are all 3 are used in these cards here that the beautiful and talented design team member Ashley has made. So I've showcased both our cards here because unfortunately we're both located in Australia and we couldn't get the samples to her in time for the Hochanda release. So I'm not too sure if you know, but Hochanda is going to release the powders first a day earlier on the 25th. So if you hop over on there, they're going to be having and launching our new release a day earlier. So see if you can grab yours from there. So here are the 2 cards that Ashley has created, and she's just so on trend with her designs. I absolutely love them. For here, I have used, this is the Fiesta range. Now for something different, I used them with embossing paste. So I layered the embossing paste through a stencil and then poured the embossing glitters here. So these are the embossing glitters from Tracy Scott Trios, and let that dry off to the side. Here I hand embossed the panel, and that was with the Strawberry Daiquiri in the background. Here I've used the Julie Hickey large alphabet dies in the lowercase, and then I used the Royal Emerald. And I've got my own YouTube on how I created that card creation as part of the hop over on my channel. And here's the background piece again, this time with the Ancient Jewels again. A little bit of more Ancient Jewels and some ink blending there with some Catherine Pooler products in the navy background, and some Ultra New products of watercoloring here and the background die. So I heat embossed a whole panel, then dry embossed the actual whole panel in the background. Here I've got some digital designs from Gracelia, and I used the whole Minty background. So this was the other part of the die cut panel from the first card. So I wanted to show you up close how gorgeous this. Now I'm sure I'm gonna kill it, but I'm trying to make sure I get the names right. This is In the Park, and then the blue from Cummerbund, and then the Halo. And these are the 3 Catherine Poolers. Look, check it out. How beautiful are these colors? These are embossing glitters. So embossing glitters, you don't need to add any kind of sticky element to it. And these just go really well. So this is the cummerbund. I'm hoping I'm not butchering that name. And it is this beautiful blue with iridescent particles. Oh my word, it is just beautiful. I try and get in focus here. Sorry about my camera. Still getting used to a new camera here. I think the quality has been much better because of it. Just beautiful. I can't wait to keep playing with this. So one of the things I do, I create embossed panels, both in a 5x7, and then that way I've got these panels ready to go to die cut, to cut up in strips, to add elements to my cards, and it's just something I've always done for me personally, and I get a good visual then on the actual heat embossed products. Now it's hard to get a good focus on this. It's very iridescent, and I'm sorry about the lighting. I am trying to make sure I get this in focus, but finding it very hard. This is the Earl Grey. So you can see it's almost got this really light grey undertone with an iridescent sparkle to it. Marion has created these gorgeous colours of the Earl Grey, Minty and Punch, and this is the Punch here. Absolutely beautiful. I've really thoroughly enjoyed this new release. Again, this is a video hop. What that means is that we're giving away the whole collection on our YouTube and another whole collection on our Instagram hop. You can see I've done the whole panel here and I've cut it down to what I wanted to use. So what do you need to do to be entered to win? Is leave a comment along each designer's YouTube post. They are showcasing these powders so beautifully. It is jaw-dropping, and there's such a variety of styles coming your way, from mixed media, from clean and simple. We have got the most talented team. We are so grateful for them sharing their talent with us and sharing the joy of this new release and brand new products. So here they are, the whole collection. I am so super excited to showcase these to you, and I hope you hop along the way. So the next hopper on this hop will be in the description below. So hop onto them, and they will be all putting the next hopper in their description on who to visit. So thank you for watching, everyone. We are looking forward to reading your comments and hearing what you have to say about our new release. And all the details are in the product description below. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day.